Our choices in life are like threads weaving together to create our destiny. Each decision, big or small, has the power to shape our future, much like an artist's brush on a blank canvas. These moments of choice reveal our wisdom and courage as we navigate life's complexities. Making the right decisions is seen as an art form throughout history, allowing us to live without regrets, vices, or missteps. This idea is found in different cultures and philosophies, from ancient texts to contemporary self-help literature. Every day, we come to a point where we have to make decisions that require us to think carefully. Whether it's deciding when to wake up or choosing our career, each choice, big or small, plays a part in shaping our lives. These decisions are important. For instance, opting to wake up at 4 a.m. instead of 4:30 a.m. may seem minor, but it shows dedication and determination towards our objectives. Even small choices can have a significant impact, helping us build habits that pave the way for success. The ability to make decisions is an important skill that can be developed in both business and personal growth. It begins with self-awareness and understanding the impact our choices can have. However, many people struggle with making decisions due to overthinking or fear of failure. This can lead to feeling stuck and unfulfilled. The key to overcoming this is to adopt a mindset focused on taking action and making choices after careful consideration. The value of contemplation lies in reaching a decision that moves us forward, rather than getting stuck in endless pondering. Every choice involves risk, and the potential reward usually matches the level of risk. Being afraid of making the wrong decision is natural, but not deciding at all is more dangerous. Indecision leads to no progress, while even a small step forward can lead to big changes. The Bhagavad Gita teaches us that decision-making is not just about making smart choices, but also about being brave enough to face the consequences and take responsibility for our actions. A good decision takes into account our past, present, and future, bridging the gap between where we are and where we want to be. In practical terms, decision-making often involves balancing advice from others with our own instincts and aspirations. Unfortunately, many young people make educational or career choices based on external pressures rather than their own passions and strengths. This can lead to unhappiness and a lack of fulfillment. True decision-making requires self-reflection and understanding our own interests and abilities. It takes courage to choose our own path, even if it goes against the norm. The story of Arjuna in the Mahabharata illustrates this principle strongly. Despite being skilled and brave, Arjuna struggled internally when it came to fighting his own relatives. Krishna advised him to not just fight, but to recognize the righteousness of his duty and the broader impact of his actions. This guidance emphasizes the importance of aligning our decisions with ethical and moral frameworks, ensuring that our actions have a positive impact on the world around us. In addition, the quality of a decision depends on how we follow through with it. Just making a decision is not sufficient. We need to fully commit to it and remain disciplined. This involves considering both the best and worst possible outcomes, preparing ourselves to overcome challenges, and celebrating our achievements. Life is composed of decisions that shape our journey. Whether it's choosing a career path or making a lifestyle change, every decision we make takes us closer to the life we aspire to have. The art of decision-making lies in recognizing its significant influence and approaching it with a combination of logic, intuition, and courage. It means breaking free from excessive overthinking and embracing the risk of taking action. By consistently making thoughtful choices, we not only shape our own futures, but also leave a lasting impact for future generations. Every significant accomplishment in the world starts with a decision. It could be an idea that is nurtured, planned, and put into action. Whether it's an invention, a business, or a personal life, it all begins with a choice. This process requires careful planning, unwavering dedication, and the ability to persevere through challenges. Remarkable leaders and innovators demonstrate this process. They envision possibilities, make decisive choices, and inspire others to do the same. As we go through life, let's embrace the power of our decisions. Every choice, no matter how small, contributes to the bigger picture of our lives. By improving our decision-making skills, we can steer our lives towards the outcomes we desire, living with purpose and satisfaction. Let's commit to making decisions that align with our values, propel us towards our goals, and uplift those around us. In doing so, we acknowledge the timeless truth that the right decision acts as a guiding force, leading us to a life filled with harmony, success, and profound impact. Exploring decision-making involves more than just choosing. It requires understanding ourselves, our surroundings, and the consequences of our actions. To make effective decisions, we must be aware of our strengths, weaknesses, values, and motivations. This self-awareness can be developed through reflection, feedback, and continuous learning. Additionally, considering the context in which decisions are made is essential. Being aware of our environment and gathering information helps us make informed choices. The interaction between our inner and outer worlds is key to making sound decisions. Our decisions have a ripple effect that goes beyond our immediate situation. They can impact others and have long-lasting results. This interconnectedness requires us to be responsible and accountable. Making ethical decisions means thinking about how our actions affect everyone involved and aiming for positive outcomes. This ethical aspect adds complexity to decision-making, turning it into a practice of mindful and compassionate living. Embracing uncertainty and adapting to change are also crucial in decision-making. Life is full of surprises, and the results of our choices are not always certain. Taking risks and being flexible help us grow and bounce back from challenges. Being resilient and open to new possibilities allows us to seize opportunities. In the business world, making decisions is more complicated. Entrepreneurs work in high-pressure situations where mistakes can be costly. To make good decisions, they need to think analytically, be creative, and trust their instincts. Successful entrepreneurs can spot trends, meet customer demands, and come up with new ideas to beat their rivals. They are also good at handling resources, forming strong teams, and dealing with regulations. Making smart business choices is key to growing and making money in the long run. Personal development involves making choices that align with our long-term goals and aspirations, such as education, career advancement, health, relationships, and financial planning. It is a journey of continuous self-improvement and learning, requiring clear objectives, mentorship, and commitment. Personal growth is a lifelong process that demands perseverance, adaptability, and a positive mindset. Another aspect of decision-making is intuition, which guides us through gut feelings or inner knowing. While not always rational, intuition offers valuable insights in navigating complex situations. Cultivating intuition involves listening to instincts, reflecting on past experiences, and connecting with inner wisdom. By combining rational thinking with intuitive insights, we can make decisions that truly reflect our authentic selves. Decision fatigue is important to manage mental and emotional energy. It happens when we have too many choices to make, leading to lower quality decisions. To avoid decision fatigue, prioritize decisions, delegate tasks, and create routines to reduce mental strain. This way, we can focus on making impactful decisions in our lives. The way we make decisions is also influenced by cognitive biases. These are errors in thinking that can impact our judgments. Common biases include confirmation bias, anchoring bias, and availability bias. Being aware of these biases and working to overcome them can improve the objectivity and accuracy of our decisions. Effective decision-making requires the skill to handle emotions. Emotions have a twofold impact on decision-making. They can offer useful insights into our preferences and values. However, they can also cloud our judgment and result in impulsive choices. By developing emotional intelligence, which includes self-awareness, self-regulation, empathy, and social skills, we can utilize the positive aspects of emotions while minimizing their negative effects. Emotional intelligence empowers us to make decisions that are both logical and in line with our emotions. The art of decision-making is a complex practice that requires self-awareness, understanding, ethics, resilience, and emotional intelligence. By improving our decision-making skills, we can confidently navigate life's complexities. Every choice, no matter how small, shapes our life's story. By embracing the power of our decisions, we can create a life aligned with our values and purpose. Let's commit to making thoughtful choices that benefit ourselves and uplift others. In doing so, we honor the truth that the right decision guides us towards a harmonious, successful, and impactful life.